All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we talk about 3 EV concepts from Honda. Let's talk about that right now.
Welcome to Cruise Control. My name is Eric, and we're going to start looking at some new cars and used cars to find out what's the best option for you. Let's see what's up next.
All right, so we all know the world's going EV. Honda's one of the last ones to jump on the bandwagon because they were famously made for VTEC and some really great engines. I would know. I own an '09 Civic Si, and she revs beautifully to 8,200 RPM, and it's the 6th Honda Civic I've owned and the 12th Honda product I've owned out of the 25 cars that I've owned. So let's talk about these 3 EVs and the future of EVs in general. So these are going to be from China, but it's going to give us some design language and what they might possibly do here in America. I'm going to want your opinions on what you guys think. There's 3 names that I doubt will carry over to the US market, but again, motors, batteries, design language, these are all things that may translate over. First, you have the EN SUV. A very interesting design, very edgy, angular shape, not very Honda-like from what I remember. I don't know of any Hondas that look this angular before. Then you have the ENGT, which, okay, I don't know. I don't know if I'm feeling this design language. This looks like it's related to the Cybertruck, really, if I'm being honest. It looks like they got their inspiration from the Cybertruck. And then you got your EN Coupe concept. So they're bold, they're, I guess, futuristic design language, but they really do look like cousins from Tesla's Cybertruck to me, if I'm being honest. I'm not sure that I'm in love with this design language. I don't know if this will carry over to the US. You guys tell me. I do know that we're going to get something called the Prologue. Now, the Prologue is going to be more of a traditional Honda styling as of right now, but this might be where they're headed. Do you like the current styling that Honda has, or would you prefer this more angular shape that is coming up here in China? I like that Honda is finally taking EVs seriously because that is something that's going to need to happen as far as the modes of transportation. However, I hope they don't give up on their hydrogen. They were one of the pioneers with hydrogen, and I hope they keep that going. I think there's a lot of possibilities with hydrogen that we haven't quite explored yet. If we can get the cost of the technology down, I think it might actually be a better replacement than the battery. Still use the same EV motor, just a different fuel source. Instead of batteries, it might be a fuel cell. So, and there might be some other technologies that will come up later that are better than both. Who knows? And what do you guys think of these? I'm on the fence as far as the design is concerned. I hope before the EVs take over, Honda gives us one more miracle car coming out of Honda, the maybe S3000, S2000, S2500. I don't know what they would want to call it. It might be forced to be hybridized. I'm not sure, but I would really hope that we get one more gasoline hurrah engine from Honda besides the Type R and besides the upcoming Integra Type S and stuff like that. I do want to see something cool. I do believe Acura is going to have a new NSX coming out as well, and I bet you that one's going to be EV as well. So what do you guys think of these EVs? Is this something that you like? You like this design language? Leave your comments down below. What kind of EV are you going to buy? Car, truck, SUV? And yeah, interesting. I'm not, like I said, entirely sure I like it, but interesting nonetheless. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Have a good one.